This one has a less aggressive. All right, you guys, we are up in the Z3. What up? Check him out, he looks cool. My dad just fucking passed me, I swear to God. The 6-seal got me, no! What's good with y'all, man? We're back here with another video, and today we are up in the Z3, as you guys can see, and it's just another chill little vibey vlog with y'all. And pretty much what we are doing today is I'm bringing the Z3, the Alpine White, to get new tires. I got some hand cooks. For the fronts, I did 225/45 17s, and then on the back we did 245s 40 17s. So we have a little bit more tire on the back, but that's what I wanted because I want this thing to even be more like fucking nimble around the turns and shit. So got all the new hand cooks. My dad is going to help me bring all the tires down this morning so that I can get new tires put on the 4-cylinder Z3. Come on, baby. And then, yeah, man, I'm pretty excited. So y'all stay tuned. And yeah, I know you guys just saw the video that went up a few days ago. Let me know what you guys think about this new car. I think it's really fun. But to tell you the truth, after you get a new car, like, even though it's old, like, you got some stuff you got to get done on it, like, right away. Like, even if it's in great condition. Yo, anybody that's in Jersey right now, are your allergies bad or is it just me? Because my allergies are fucking terrible, man. I don't know, these last 2 days, they've gotten so bad too. Like, I don't know what it is. I think it's all the trees finally blooming. But I gotta pick up some damn Allegra today, bro. So expect a nice Allegra run. All right, so we just got to the shop, but look at all these Porsches that are here. It's a 99, I think that's a 997, and like the next one after 997. And then got a nice Z3, of course. Fitment about to be looking right. Don't even trip, don't even worry. It's about to be looking amazing. Peep out this old 996. 996 or 997. Might be a 6. I think this one's a 6. This one's a 7. Damn, it's got a red interior and a manual. Shit, bro. And a red steering wheel. Stop playing with them. Nice cars, though. Crazy. I'd love to work at this spot. I can't even lie. I got an old Mustang. Hold up. Let me show you guys the Mustang. Got an old Mustang. Can't go wrong, bro. These things are literally the best car you could ever buy. I don't care. There's just nothing like them. Old MGB. Another old MGB. Nice abandoned Mini, bro, with mint interior, like actual mint interior, not like mint condition. Right-hand driver, manual. Bro, this thing's actually fire. I don't know, man. Should I cop a Mini for the channel? An old fucked up Mini and fix it up? That might be fun. Look at this old Rolls though, bro. And it has a red interior back in the fucking 30s, bro. Imagine. Pretty sure it's because, or Ghost, depending on the doors. Look at that thing, bro. What the fuck? 6 Series? Shit, bro. Whole bunch of nice cars. What the fuck? All right, yo, we just got back with the Z3 from the shop. I know I teleported back to the house and everything, but I didn't really want to show everything. Showed you guys the cars, and then I just picked it up and brought it home. So I'm going to show you guys the tires that we put on, and they actually look so good. On the back, I ran some 245s instead of 225s, and I was afraid that they weren't going to fit, but the 245s ended up fitting on the back. So thank God. It looks so good, and I'm going to show you guys right now. So as you guys can see, we just got some Hankook Ventus V12 Evo 2s. That is the longest name I think I've ever heard in my entire life. But on the front, we got 225/45 ZR17s. So they are rated for like 180 plus, even though this thing is never gonna touch 180 unless I put an LS in it. Or a 2J. Imagine I put a 2J in it. And then on the back, I got the same thing, except they are, where is it so I can show you guys? Oh, right here. 245/40 ZR17. So this has a 40 sidewall, that has a 45 sidewall. More sidewall on the front because it's better for handling and everything. And the back, obviously, I went wider because it's better for handling there too. So
2 hours later.
Anyway, guys, we got the car back over, and I'm about to just move this one out so we can get both of them directly next to each other so I can show you guys the two buttes in full force and effect. Here goes this one, the 4-cylinder. A little bit louder. My shift knob is gone. My shift boot is gone, though. I'm going to get all of the cameras and stuff onto the cars, and then we're going to go out and have a fun time with both the Z3s. As you can see, there is some differences, like the bumpers are a little bit different, and yeah, other than that, it's not really that much of a difference. This one just has more of a bit of an aggressive one. This one has a less aggressive, which, I mean, it is what it is. It doesn't really matter. But other than that, the cars are literally like the exact same. It's just one's Hellrot 2 and the other one is Alpine White. It's honestly just like so much fun to get them out together and with each other because they just look so fucking good together. But yeah, we got the 3.0, the 1.9. The 1.9 has an intake and exhaust. The 3.0 is bone stock. So yeah, there's nothing done to the 3.0, but it still makes it cool. It doesn't really matter that it doesn't have anything done to it. It's, again, a daily driver and a cruiser, so you can't really go wrong. And Kitty's just enjoying the nice weather finally. So, all right, you guys, we are up in the Z3. I hope you guys are enjoying this POV. I'm thinking it's looking pretty good. I angled the camera down quite a lot because of the roof and everything. Small roof, but I think it looks good, bro. I got windows down, but I'll put them up eventually. I know that it is maybe a bit windy, but it's not a big deal, bro. Not a big deal ever. Come on, baby. I won't lie, she is slow as fuck you could be, but man, is this a fun car. Oh, come on, window. That window motor over there is starting to go. I gotta change it, unfortunately. I'm hoping that the POV does look good. We're in the manual, man. You know, as always, we're just vibing. What the fuck? A fucking, like a leaf just flew into the car, bro. That shit scared me. My dad is behind us in the Hellrot Z3, and we are just cruising. We're on our way down this like nice little set of back roads. So you guys just stay tuned for a nice little drive, bro. Hey, if this is you in this Alfa Romeo Giulia, and you are a guy wearing a golfing hat, and you got 2 Z3s behind you, bro, you drive like a fucking pussy, bro. Fucking drive that sports car like it's supposed to be driven, or just go sell that shit. You're on a back road and you're going under the speed limit, bro. Get a life and become a fucking man. All right, you guys, I got my dad behind me, and we are now on the back roads finally. It's so much fun, man. We got the Hellrot behind us, nice 6-cylinder 3.0 behind us, and then of course we got this beautiful 4-cylinder Z3. You just can't go wrong, bro, at all. Sorry, I gotta go a little fast. It's too much fun. Come on, body roll. What a fun fucking car, bro. It's so too much fun with your dad, bro. Like, what the fuck? I got a good spot for the two of us to stop at. And I'll get out of the car and show the cars and everything. But man, oh man, maybe I'll see if he can get in front of me a little. Hey, man.
What up?
There's a cool parking lot up there.
Right.
You'll see if you go, I'll follow you. If you go straight to the left, you'll see it. It's on your right. But just go straight to the left and then you'll see. You can't miss it. Come on, baby. Man, there ain't nothing like a slow fucking BMW, like a slow sports car. Bumper bully. Bumper bully, bud. It's right here. Yes, sir. We'll hop out, check out the cars, and yeah, I'll show you guys what the cars are looking like. Come on, it doesn't get better than that. Outside with my dad. I'm about to put the top down on the Z3 on the white one. My dad put his top down. Got my dad over here.
Yeah, BMW Z3.
So you ready to race or what, man?
Make it happen, buddy.
Like, there's no way this person's coming. Go. What are you saying? Come on, my dad's on my ass, bro. Can't have more fun than a manual car, bro, I swear. We're having fun with the cameras, everything. You can't go wrong. It's a nice, beautiful day. Hope you guys are enjoying the other footage from the other car, and I hope it's not too windy for you, but I'm enjoying my time with my dad, bro. I'm not even gonna hold you, so hope you guys are enjoying your day. My dad's on my ass. Look at him. Check him out, he looks cool. Hopefully you guys can see him, I don't know. There you go. There goes a good shot. Really cool though to be out with my dad just cruising. Something that I've always dreamed of, so really important to me, man. I'm not gonna lie. Damn, if only I had a 6th gear, man, shit. And we out of there. Wow, man, what a fun car. Hey, at least we got some good driving clips for the YouTube video, y'all, so that's all that matters. I got some good fun time with my dad. You can't go wrong. Again, there's nothing better than enjoying quality time with the people that you love. My dad just fucking passed me, I swear to God. I wish I got it on camera. Man just fucking full passed me, bro. Like, what the hell? I wasn't even expecting it. I just see a fucking orange Z3 come up next to me over the double yellow, bro. We're gonna stay in 4th. Fuck, man, I'm too slow. The 6 seal got me! No! The 6 seal done got me, baby! Fuck! That thing moves, bro.
I was in the field, never